you all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Unready. I'm back with another video, guys. On today's video, I want to get unready with me, so I will be doing an unready video with me. So I got my makeup on, so I want to be showing you guys how I always take off my makeup. So for those who are interested in seeing the thing I use for my face, like taking down my makeup and all the rest, just keep watching. And thank you the new subscribers for always tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there, and for the old subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. So the first thing I always do when taking off my makeup is I always go in and take off my lashes. So I will just grab it at the edge here and you put it off. So I got my lashes off. When I'm done with that, I just go in with my wipes. You know, I use these wipes for my face. I'll just go in and grab one. I'll just grab one from it and I start with the first part. I always go in with my face when taking off my makeup. It's always my eyes. I always target my eyes first because I have this allergy with my eyes, so I always target my eyes first. I'm just going this way and so in taking off the mascara from your eye, from your normal eyelashes, it's really so very hard for me to do that. So I just go in and I try to do it so gently and soft, like just like do it this way, try to massage it this way. In that way you can see it, it's really there. You go in, you make sure you go in for the clean session. You take it this way, you just massage it like this. That is how I always take off my mascara from my lashes. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now on my brows, just swap them off. So this is the way I always take out my makeup. This is exact routine. I always go ahead and take out my makeup on my face. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with another of these. So I'll just pick up one more, still go in with my eyes, like I want it to be well clean. So I'll just go in there. And when I'm done with my eyes, I will just go in now with the rest of my face. So when I'm done with that now, then I will just go in now with my lip. So guys, when I'm done with all this now, I will just go in now with my Skin Active and a cotton, you know, and a cotton. Put it on a cotton. It's from this I will know now that my face is still very damn dirty, because check out the cotton, you see. So all the white dots is just to bring out a little bit of the makeup. So you guys should check out the cotton. Look at how the cotton is looking like. It's so damn freaking dirty. So when I'm done with this, I just go in with a second cotton on my face, and still with the Skin Active. So I hardly carry up makeup, so don't think I do this every day. No, I don't do this every day. I carry makeup only when I'm on a camera or when I have a party or something or somewhere to go, that's when I always carry makeup. So I do this rarely, I do this not every day, you understand. So I do it when I have, like, when I got that huge amount of makeup on my face. But on a daily basis, I can just refresh my face with this, I think twice a week with this. So it's not something like daily, okay? So we're going with this again, with just second time. But on a daily basis, you can put it just once, like you can use it just with one cutting, and it will definitely be enough. Like, okay. So the part I always target on my face when I'm getting on my face, always my eyes, because I got this, my eyes always itch. You can see it's dark, very dark from here, and at times it always happen like that, like when I don't have enough rest. When I'm up here trying to put up some videos, some great videos for you guys, I always stay up late. So that's why I always have these black bags on my eyes. But it's okay, it's fine, it's good. You can see the cutting is still dirty, you know. You can see I still got some makeup on my face, so I will still go in with one more time, and this time it should be very little because I think everything is gone now. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah. These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. Yeah, I think so now everything is gone, like all the makeup is gone from my face. You can see the cutting is clean. Yeah, so guys, that is all I do for my face when I have makeup on, how I always take them off my face. So that is just the routine. It's very simple and very easy. You don't need much, you just need the skin active and your wipe. So that is all. These are just the two things I always use in taking off my makeup. So I hope you loved the video, and I hope the video was helpful to someone out there. So many people have been asking me about my skincare routine. I will be coming up with a skincare routine, but for my face, makeup, everything, this is just what I take off my makeup with. So I love you all so very much. Thank you so much for watching right up to this moment. I really appreciate you that watch right up to this moment. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you so very much. Peace out, stay blessed, and please always remember to grab you some water, drink, and mind your business.